What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Tonight we are going to a night car meet, the Osaka Outlaw Rally, and it's gonna be fun. About to meet up with the homie Nick, the homie Nikon, the homie Sean with the 720S. We got the whole squad out today, so it should be fun. I'll pick up the camera once we're there and show you guys all the dope cars that are there, so let's go.
OCG?
They want to go to OC.
We'll go to Compton after.
We're with the whole squad.
Bad man.
No, I'm for sure there's still more cars coming, bro.
We should have went, bro.
For sure there's still more cars. Look, guys. The only thing is that they didn't make it public. Like, they made it kind of private so that, you know, it wasn't like crazy flooded because they had a problem last time. As you can see, there's a bunch of cars. That's the only thing, is that they didn't want to make it public. But I think we're supposed to cruise Malibu PCH right now. And there's a good amount of cars. I think this is cool because it's not overly crowded. There's not too many cars, and everybody, I think they chose specific people too. So see, we got the whole squad out. The homie Sean pulled up with his 720S. Sheesh. Supercar boys. God damn. Nikon with the M8, individual F80 and 3. I think this is champagne quartz, I think. Individual. We have a G82, frozen black. That shit nice. Damn. M4, the homie Charlie's, the homie Felipe, F10 M5, 1,000 horsepower. And you can see a bunch of other cars, Beamers, mostly Beamers. We got the homie Javi, E92 M3 with the Vorsteiner bumper. And we got an F80, another F80. It's good to see a lot of Beamers out. I feel like there's a lot of Beamers and JDM out today. Yeah, guys, look at the G82. Frozen black, yellow DRLs. Oh my God, with the red bucket seats. What's up, G? Huh?
You ran away. Me and Sean passed like 50 cars.
No way. Look at that, guys. We finally pulled up. The CHP is having a problem with his car.
He's getting ready.
And I saw the hood open.
I know, me too. It's crazy.
Car, though.
You throw a bunch of rocks in my face, bro.
That's
I was
because
I went
like,
blind.
all that, and he was like, yeah. I was like, did you? And, he's
And
like,
then you
yeah.
passed by me. I was like, I thought it was you for a second. And then
No,
you like, look,
yeah, then I passed. Then I was,
busty, bro.
all of a sudden you see all
My
these
son
rocks
was like,
flying
someone,
everywhere.
hey, we're giving ourselves up right now.
Crazy. What's up, Enrique? You don't have the top down? Put the top down, G.
Well, they blocked this guy.
This color is sick. Individual F80 M3. That's got to be my favorite M3 F80 here. But as you can see, there's just a lot of us pulled up. And we're parked here in front of the 7-Eleven. Way too many cars. All over your underglow, G.
Underglow?
All over, Nick. Oh my, what is that? Got so many rock chips on the cars. Good thing the car's PPF, but still the rocks can go through the PPF. They can go through it still and damage the paint. Enrique, you missed your G80G? But Enrique in the drop top. What year is this?
24?
24.
Over there trying to stay past the cop.
No way. We gotta go over there. But yeah, this is Enrique's new loaner. 2024 full screen convertible. Until he gets his G80 back. Not bad though. This is brand new. That shit is crazy.
You think we're done now?
I'm now.
I'm gonna
Tell him put his hand on the hood. I need these smokers to move.
I'm gonna capture drinking the beer in front of the cop, bro.
No way.
Fuck?
This guy's, look at it, he's taking this.
Smoke
Bro,
out.
drinking.
I mean, you can't be doing all that. I'm being cold. Come on.
That over here?
You can
I know how to
smell it
fucking
too,
fix that shit in a second.
Coolant everywhere. You can smell it. It's the coolant, yeah. You can smell it.
There's no way they're gonna help him fix this. Bro, there's no way they're gonna help him fix this, guys.
Why is everybody leaving?
I'm hungry.
No way, bro. Oh, we got the scanner out.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
You gonna be good here? You want somebody to stay?
He's literally gonna try to fix it.
All over air is 1200 horsepower F10 M5, guys. That's crazy.
I get smoked by a big ass
Bro. That shit's crazy. Upgraded turbos and everything. Bro. Alright, guys. We came to a car meet. Super packed. We had to park in the back. Sheesh. 700 horsepower M4. Guys, this shit got rated. Not even 20 minutes into the meet, and it already got rated.
Bro, the guy on the motorcycle's back.
Alright guys, I'm on the way to the second location. And look what we run into. Cybertruck. Oh my god, bro. What the what's up? Bro, look at everybody with their phones, bro.
Bro, when I grow up, I want to be like you guys.
Nick booked my ticket to Orlando without me, without my consent.
Lucky for every cheerleader, you know?
Bro.
Hey, so you booked everything. Are you going to Miami or no?
You're a cheerleader, and I know exactly the way your brain works. You said I gotta buy them the tickets, they're gonna reimburse me, and let's get it over with.
Yeah, see, he did it without my consent. He did it without my consent.
Yeah. The car is for sale, never used.
Tell him stock crank cup.
The car is for sale, never abused. Stock crank up. Number one showroom guy.
Valley BMW, you guys see it?
Get Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, cash,
OnlyFans.
EBT,
trade-off.
EBT, EBT,
EBT,
EBT. Oh, hell no, you get fries.
fake checks, fake checks,
Oh my god. Wire it, wire.
wire transfer, Pornhub, Bitcoin, Shiv, Shiba.
Eric's trying to fit his big ass M5 in this tiny ass little spot. Rich? Look at the Maybach bouncing. Alright guys, it is currently the next day. We met up with Noe and his son. Beautiful M2 competition. Nicely lowered. Nice. With the yellow DRLs. Alright guys, we finally made it. I think we have the newest cars here. We got the homie with the E46, like you see like Z3s, E46s, E30s. Look, they're all classic, and we're the only new cars, I think. Oh no, there's an XM that just pulled in. Alright guys, starting off, we have this pretty clean E30. It's like a purplish pink color. We got the homie John keeping up with the Bavarians, E90 M3. Look, he got the...
We're gonna be at Texas 2K.
What's up? He got the Lime Rock in the back. Damn, look at these. This one old, I don't even know what it is. That's crazy. Look at that. That's super vintage. Huh? The Lime Rock one? It's a 2002, right? Yeah, that's pretty cool. We got the 5 Series. It's like an E, I forget the name, but it's nice. Oh, damn. It's like a chocolate brown. It's got metallic in it too. It's nice. Damn. Yeah, these are classics for sure. I've never seen this before. Damn, this one's clean too. Oh, it says M5 with the stripe going along the body on BBS's. That's pretty cool. This is a nice E92 M3, white on white on the TEs. E36 M3, E30. We got another E92 M3, space gray with the red interior. Shit, nice. It's always good to see the E9X, especially with the red interior. Seats look good too. We got an E36 M3, another E30. Ooh, we got the Alpina. Damn, look at that. Alpina E30. Man, that's a nice too. That's just nice. That color? That's pretty hard. The homie Marlon with the E36. What's up, bro? How are you?
Chilling. It's okay.
He brought the whole squad out. God damn. That's clean. Marlon, I think he has 2 of them or 3 of them. He has like a Dakar yellow. He has a Estero blue E36. They're all clean too. British Racing green E36 M3. That's hard. Look at that. That's sick. Damn, that's a clean E36. That shit nice. Look at the E46. Oh shit, look at that front end. Is that an F80 front end on the E46? Damn, we got the E30 M3. That's hard. That's a nice E30. Got the wide body on it with the racing, the M livery. What's up, bro? Look at all the E30s. These fools did a whole preemie. Look at it. All the way back there. All E30s. My guy put the Rolls Royce wheels on the 5 Series. That's crazy. Never seen that before.